Hey guys, this is Haley from Lovey's Hair, and I'm showing you how to put together these trays for my new salon. So first we start with the box. I got this from Amazon. That's how the box came when I got it. Once I opened the box, I had to get all the stuff together on the floor. My salon is a mess, but I'm getting it done by any means necessary. I'm looking for the pieces, trying to find out what's what, where is what. And this is the first piece we're working with, which is like the foundation for the whole trolley or cart. Once we get the foundation, we have to get the legs on there. So these are the legs that I put on. Now these are tricky because you got to have them at the right squeeze for it to latch on correctly. So you kind of squeeze it on the sides and then you turn it in. And then once you turn it in, it snaps. And it does exactly what it needs to do. But once I got the hang of it, this was like my fourth tray. It was easy. But the first couple ones, I'm like, how do I get this on? So really apply that pressure on the sides of it before you put it on. And it should, you know, turn on pretty fine. I think this one's about to give me some trouble. No, it actually did it. That one did good. But yeah, definitely do this process on all, I think 5 legs. If you have issues, just take your time. Make sure it gets squeezed on there first before you turn it in. So that's me trying to squeeze it on the sides right there. You see that? And then you can turn it in after you get those sides squeezed. See, now I'm having trouble because I was trying to display that. Then I'm gonna squeeze it on the sides and then it should turn in. There we go. It's a tight squeeze. Y'all saw that? Very tight squeeze. All right. So now that we got all those parts on there, well, hold on, there's one more. I thought I was done. You know, I just thought I'd make this tutorial because I feel like naturally anything you buy, you want to get a tutorial for. And I didn't see a tutorial for this, so I figure I might as well make it for y'all. Hopefully this is helpful. If y'all want to see more tutorials, let me know. I'm over there laughing and talking crazy because I have some friends helping me get my salon together. But yeah, that's how we put down the foundation. All right, once that part is done, I am now looking for the middle piece that goes inside that foundation. Let's see if I can find it. Where is it? Gotta shake the bag, get it out. Is that it? Let's see. That's it. That's the middle piece. So this middle piece right here, it's so easy. You just push it into the hole, and then the second part you tighten onto it. So I'm about to put the camera down so you can see it. So you literally just push it into that hole. Let me get stable so y'all can see this. I push it into the hole, and then once I push it into the hole, I am going to get the other piece out of the plastic because it's connected to the plastic. Take that out. And then I'll put in this piece. Come on, piece, stop acting crazy. And then I'm gonna tighten it once I put on that piece. I'm trying to set up my camera so y'all can see. Okay, so then we loosen the top one's knob so we can fit the tray on top. My handyman just came in, so he's about to distract me. So y'all about to have a brief intermission while I talk to him about what we have planned. What was I gonna say? I ordered some shelves for the white and gold labels. And I was saying as far as that old strip, I just felt like it was less reflective, and I kind of like the idea of having less reflective options for that front desk. You agree? It looked like it was better. Yeah, and I wish I would have found that from the rip, but. Okay, we have 4 minutes. 4 now. About to be 5 minutes. Well, it's about to be 5 now. It's crazy. If y'all didn't know, I'm on my journey to be monetized. So that's what we were talking about, trying to get monetized on this YouTube channel. So make sure you watch some more of my videos. So yeah, I put the tray on top. Now that the tray is on top, we're going to turn the knob to tighten it. And as you see, we're just turning it until it feels tight and secure. And then once it feels tight and secure, I'm going to move it. Make sure it looks like it's stable. It looks like it's going to hold things without falling. Tighten it a little bit more just to make sure it's good to go. And now I'm just checking for the rollers on the legs to put on and packing up the box. And I feel like actually at this moment I kind of got excited and I started packing up the box before I put on the rollers at the bottom. That actually was a very easy part, but you know, my mom always taught me to clean as you go just to make sure you don't end up with a bigger mess later. So that is what y'all see me doing, cleaning as I go. But then I remembered we have to put on these rollers. So here's the rollers. We're going to put these on. My friend Jessica is now recording me with the rollers. I'm trying to make sure she can see what I'm doing. Oh, no, it's my phone case. My phone case is in the way because I put my credit cards on it and it just, anywho, that's a complicated story. But yeah, checking my hair out. I don't look too crazy. Okay, so these are the rollers. I take them out the bag. Now we have the theatrics now that she's recording my face. Once I take these out the bag, I will put them on. So I'm going to put the audio on so y'all can get some ASMR while I put these rollers on. Let's see.
A little bit of extra elbow grease.
Oh, Jesus. This is the grease for me. I wish I had some grease. Oh. Okay.
And flip it. Okay.
Let's go put it with the rest of them.
Am I still following?
Yeah.
So cute.